Hello everyone, this is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Gazebo Plus in weathered bronze, I believe is the name of this finish, but I'm not entirely positive on that. However, it's kind of an unusual finish to see. I believe they also made them in verde, but don't quote me on that, and white of course. However, I was pretty excited to see this, so I bought it. It was, I think, $25 at the Habitat in downtown San Antonio. And once I build my front porch, I will be installing this out there on it. It works pretty well. It's got that typical sag on the blades. It's what happens with these kind of brackets, I guess. But once I install it permanently, I may try to fix it, or I might just leave it the way it is, because it works really well, so no reason to mess with it if it ain't broken. Integrated light kit works real good. 3 speeds reversible. Light kit working fantastically. I'm gonna turn it on. It's high speed, of course. It's really not bad. I think these fans kind of get a bad reputation. But it actually works pretty well, and it's stirring up a nice breeze. So, I like it. I've got another one of these in kind of a galvanized metal finish. It's actually a Hampton Bay lighthouse, and it's got the Gossamer style blades like the industrial. Once I get that out of the shed, I'll be filming it too. Gotta watch my head. Just for the record, this beam that I'm testing these fans on is 6'3" off of the ground, so they're all hanging pretty low. In fact, if you see in there, you see I boxed out for the little fan that's actually installed in there. This medium here is low. And off. These blades being plastic are obviously a little bit heavier than wood, which also partly explains the sag. This being an outdoor rated fan, it's got special little deals on the blades. On the pull chains. It's got a little rubber cover on the reverse switch. All the screws are stainless steel, so that everything is outdoor rated. We're going to push that up. I mean, as you can see, it runs pretty smooth, even with the blade sag. That's why I said I probably won't even mess with it. Medium. Low. and off. So yeah, it's a pretty good fan, I think. I like them. And I look forward to installing it on my front porch, which I also look forward to having. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.